This tutorial shows you how to change information in a student's profile in WCOnline. So once you log into the scheduling system, sometimes a student will need to update their profile or they've forgotten their password and you can help them change it. All you need to do is you get into the schedule, you go to the little magnifying glass here, which is the search for systems and records icon, and you can put in their name. So I'm going to put in Debbie Ellis and we're going to search. What it will do is come up with any kind of registrations under that name and any kind of staff and resources who've worked with the student. So if you were going into their profile, all you need to do is go to under registrations and their name, and it'll tell you any kind of administrative notes, any kind of information on them. And then you just go to edit profile, and here it'll pop up a box where it has all their information when they registered for the account, from SUID to telephone number to their standing. Sometimes students need to update their standing. That does not change automatically, as well as anticipated graduation year, major, second major, anything like that. The password, you can go in and change their password for them, or you can hand them the computer or the keyboard and they can do it for them for themselves. You can put any kind of administrative notes in here if you'd like. If the student says they no longer want to have an account with the Debbie Ellis Writing Center, you can go ahead and disable that for them. Also, if they decide that they don't want any mass emails, you can go in and change this for them too. So all of this information is what they put in originally when they register with the system. And then you just save the changes and it's updated. So if you have any questions, please let me know.